Thanks. You better watch out.
How much you pay for that taco?
Hey, yo, you know this, boy. He's got his free taco.
Is Steven here?
Present.
James.
So, dude.
I have jobs and wife and a kid and a mortgage, and if I drop a bag of my favorite chips on the ground, I don't cry about it.
My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
What's the best kind of firework to buy?
Wouldn't you like to know, weather boy?
Where are your parents?
I got new shoes.
Is it real?
Is this music? I can't get enough of that sweet music.
So you'll do it? Yeah, man, I'll kill him. For how much? I don't know, 30 grand?
So are you like Japanese?
Oh. Hey, I was talking to myself the whole time.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard the sound of a rubber ball breaking a window? Would you like to?
Josh, go put those corn dogs back.
You can't make me do anything.
Hey kid, you want some blades?
No. Blades are for skating. You dingus. It's kind of snowy.
I am old.
How old are you?
16. I'm my grandmother.
So you think that you can dance? That's wonderful. Destroy him.
Amen. Where's the holy water? Welcome to Bath and Body Works.
Wanna get dinner sometime? No. I'll buy you Chipotle. 6 o'clock.
Want to see my impression of a British driver?
Alright. How did you take down Captain America?
We shot him in the legs because his shield is the size of a dinner plate and he's an idiot.
Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
So everybody signed the Declaration of Independence.
Who just wrote first?
Are you kidding me, John?
Sing your lowest note.
When you're home alone and you have no one else to party with.
I just found 12 bricks. Shush!
All right.
You know when you breathe oxygen and it's like, then it's like, and you live?
Oh, my mama, I be breathing.
What's up, guys? It's Toby. You can call me Tobes. Here's something I wrote.
We have to leave.
What?
What does that say, Anaya?
What?
No!
What?
Hey, how about we get some music on here, huh? There is music on? That's great. I love music.
Johnny has 19 bottles of dish soap, and he gets Gina. Wait, why does Johnny have so many soaps?
Mind your business, David!
Stop right there. You're going to jail. What? Why? For breaking the laws of physics.
I remember when I...
Emergency.
Somebody at our prom has been killed. Please help.
Well, calm down. We don't want to panic at the disco.
What do you want from me? Please,
It's gonna eat you.
Oh my God, Sylvia. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, Sylvia.
In the seas cooking with the
God is looking for geeks here tonight. He's looking for nerds. Yeah.
Wake me up inside. I can't wake me up and save me. Oh.
Hey, so I think you're pretty cute, so I was wondering if you wanted to go out. Pretty cute? I'm a goddess.
There's only one race. The human race. What about NASCAR?
Hey guys, look at this new dress my mom bought me. Psych! It's a jumpsuit. You were fooled.
We want answers.
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. I lied, I'm dying inside.
My art wasn't meant to be bought or sold by big businesses, and that's all there is to it.
There was a kidnapping at school. What? There was a kidnapping at school? Whoa! It's okay. He woke up.
Man, do you have any shaving cream? No, I don't like the way that it tastes. Wait, you eat shaving cream? No, why would I eat it if I don't like the taste?
Is that a dog in a car? Hey! Where'd you learn to drive?